Okay, finally, Ascendis Health. Now, this is a health and care brands company. It has businesses in human health as well as in sports nutrition products, some pet food type stuff or pet nutritionals and pet veterinarian type products as well. And it's interesting because it's expanding aggressively now into the European market in a sort of twin strategy, either looking at generics and or those sports nutritionals. Got a market cap of 9 billion rand, price earnings ratio of 22.84, dividend yield of 0.53. It's done a nice internationalization of its model. Carsten Wellner and his team have done great. The coast-to-coast guys behind them have also been very aggressive in acquiring new things. It's gone off the boil a little bit. I think maybe some people are worried that they might have extended themselves a little too far with some of those more recent deals. But it did get a nice bounce recently after it had results. What's your feeling?
Yeah, I think, it's one of those, it reminds me of a mini Aspen, growing aggressively through acquisition and focusing on, as you mentioned, sports nutrition, food supplements, pet food, that sort of thing, pet nutrition.
Because the sports supplement stuff is fairly lightly regulated, but that's a plus because then it means you can move quickly, and if anybody gives you a hard time about your products, you can just withdraw them and try something else.
Yeah, and margins are pretty good in this.
Yeah.
I mean, the last time around, I think they had a problem because the protein whey prices were a bit higher, but you'll see margins beginning to start stabilizing now in their business, and of course, you'll continue to see the acquisitions.
Yeah.
I think they've doubled earnings every year since 2013.
And like Aspen, they've used European-based debt in order to raise the money to do these deals, which is great because their financing is available at lower prices, which means they could get into Spain. They bought some companies in Cyprus. They bought some companies in East Europe.
And they get the distribution network as well to sell even products they're manufacturing locally.
Okay, time's up, so we unfortunately can't go into it in any more detail. Hot or not on this one?
I'm hot on this one.
Hot on this one, good. So am I. We own some in the portfolio. It is considered one of our sort of moonshot stakes because it was bought in a little bit more of a kind of ambitious mood.